Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Open Settings and make sure your Apple ID is signed in at the top, because Imessage uses that account to authenticate. Once done, verify your network, Wi-Fi or cellular, and if it's flaky, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a refresh. Also, check date and time is set to automatic. Incorrect time often causes authentication errors. Doing these 3 steps first removes most basic blockers and gets you ready for signing iMessage back in. Now proceed to actively re-authenticate iMessage. First, open Settings Messages and toggle iMessage off. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it on again. This often prompts a fresh sign-in. If that doesn't work, sign out your Apple ID completely, restart the device, and sign back in because a clean session clears stale tokens. If network problems persist, reset network settings. This clears Wi-Fi, VPN, and Bluetooth profiles, so make sure you know your Wi-Fi passwords before you continue. Finish by giving iMessage time to activate. Sometimes it takes several minutes up to 24 hours, so be patient and watch for the activation notice. Make sure your device is running the latest iOS update under Settings General Software Update, because outdated software can block services. If problems continue, toggle messages in iCloud off and on to resync message settings, and then try signing in again. Key troubleshooting tip. If activation fails repeatedly, contact Apple support with the exact error message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.